Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use the graph of f to sketch the graph of the inverse of f. So the first step is to draw the line y equals x on the plane. And what we have to do is we have to reflect our function over this line. So everything we do in regards to the line, we have to do on the opposite side. So here we're going very far right and a little bit down. So instead, what we have to go is very far down and a little bit right. And of course, it meets the line at this point if it's reflecting over it. Here, we are going far to the right and a decent bit down. So instead, we have to go far up and a little bit left.